In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to pin a comment on Instagram. So what you want to do is go to your profile, go to a post, go to the comments, and find a comment that you would like to pin. Then swipe left on the comment and touch the little pin icon. What this will do is pin the comment at the top of your post. If you'd like to unpin the comment, just swipe left again, hit the pin, and tap unpin. As of right now, you can pin up to 3 comments on your post, but you cannot pin your own comment. This is a fairly new update, so if this doesn't work for you on your Instagram, I recommend trying to update the app, and that should fix the problem for you. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.